Alright y'all, so today I'm going to show y'all some different styles that you can do with your boho locks. And don't forget that I do have a tutorial on how I did these on a previous video, so make sure you go and watch that. But let's style it and see what we can do with these locks. Okay, so first of course you have the side part, the deep side part with the, I'm just gonna call it a bang honey because I can't think of what to call it, but we're gonna call this the Aaliyah, covering the eye. Give it a nice little look. All right, y'all, then of course we got the good faithful, the middle part, which you can have everything going to the back, or you could pull them to the front. Yeah. And right here is one of my personal favorites. It's the little ponytail right here, and then the sides are out and the back is out. So this look right here is normally my go-to because it gives me an updo style, but then it also gives it where's it down. So alright, so here we have a full ponytail. Everything is up in the ponytail, which I do with a braid. I take a braid and wrap it around instead of trying to use a band. Right, now we got the two pigtails at the front, down at the back. Then we got the two strands also hanging at the front. So this gives a little cool rocker chick type of look, which is cute. Cute. And then of course, you take this and you can wrap this in a bun. Y'all excuse my arms because your girl needs to shave, okay? So don't even come for me because I already know. Just mind your business, mind your own hair, thanks. Okay, of course this is like messy because I just threw this together, but you know, y'all can make this cuter than this, than what I just did, but y'all know, y'all get the drift. Y'all get the drift, okay? Okay, next. All right, y'all, and then lastly, we have the swoop low pony. This is one of those where you just want to get it out your face, but still be cute. So, there's of course many more, but out of these that I just showed y'all, comment below which one is your favorite. If y'all want me to do more, I will. Comment below, let me know. And yeah, that's it for this video. This is just short, quick, and sweet. But comment below what y'all want to see next. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, Daniels Den. See y'all later.